Hi everyone, off to the woods today. It's not the best weather, but can't put it off any longer. Been waiting for too long, haven't you, Sid? Been waiting for a very long time to go, so we're going to go today. Yeah, so we set off then. Come on in. Hi everyone, Sid here today from Tehidy Woods. We finally made it up here. The weather is awful, but I had to go. I couldn't keep putting it off. Been wanting to come back up here for over a year, and we finally made it up here. Start coming up here every week again. Extremely muddy, so thankfully I brought my wellies with me. Got to be careful, Sid, don't want to slip. Where are we, Sid? Are we up the woods? Are we up the woods? Do you love it up the woods? We're going to find a stick. Going in. Discovery. Found a place where they perform rituals or something. No, I'm joking. It's not really that. It's where the kids come and on like, school trips, and they do outward bound activities. Learn how to tie knots, that kind of stuff. What's this, Sid? Is it a portal? You're going to go through the portal? The portal? Sid's going through. We go into a different world, Sid. We're in a different world now. Yeah, this is the kind of arch they build up here. Like the one that they normally have over there. It's pretty cool. Go back through, Sid. There he goes. Sid knows the way. Still got to be careful, Sid. I'm worried I'm going to slip. Hey, Sid. You having a good time, Sid? You didn't think you'd be coming up here today? Yeah, we haven't been up here for over a year. Hard to get the motivation to. Finally got myself motivated to start getting out more. Start going down the beach, start going to the woods, start going places like Trincombe, Cambrai, start going to Marizine again. Sid, we can't go that way. That's the nature reserve. That way, dogs are not allowed to go that way. Sid's quite rough from there today. Not want to go in there. So I think this used to be an old mill. That would probably been the mill house there, and then had a big wheel in there. Grinding corn maybe. Sid spotted a little dog up there. You walk down here, Sid? Hello. You should be a bit down here, we should cross over. Can you remember, Sid? I doubt we try crossing it today, Sid. Whoa! Nearly went. Need to watch out for them roots. Just gonna have a look over here, Sidney. Be careful. So I want to cross over it, to turn around very carefully. It's getting freezing in there. It's freezing. Absolutely freezing. these ruins quickly. Bit of a close-up. So a bit of a close-up, Sid. Would have been a channel all the way through, so the water could have passed through here. And a bit of big wheel here, maybe. Go in, Sid. You go this way. Sid's like, stop filming stuff. Want to have a look around. Got to try and get over here safely. Wait for me, Sid. Sid, not in there. No. What are you doing down there? You got yourself trapped. He's fine. We start heading up the big hill then. Don't go down there. You'll break your leg. No, Sid. Don't go down there. No. There'll be leeches and stuff in there, probably. No, Sid. You was got. No, Sid. You're gonna hurt yourself. No! Me and Sid are now approaching the twisted tree. Don't know if it's got any history to it. Any legends or anything like that attached to it. But I like the way it's all twisted round. Like somebody's, like some giant grabbed it and then twisted it round. The ancient twisted beach. Mysterious tree, no one quite knows why it has a striking twisted trunk. Nobody knows why. The tree is over 230 years old. Nobody knows anything about it. That's a shame, isn't it, Sid? Gonna have a closer look. It's all twisted. You can see it's all twisted, Sid. Like a twister. It's cool. Sid's having a good time, ain't you, Sid? Yeah, he's loving it. Should we head on then? Sid's very tired now and very muddy, ain't you, Sid? So he's had a good time up to Tehidy Woods. We're gonna head home now. It's good to get out. Start coming up here every week now, Sid, yeah? Boys will enjoy that. Hi everyone. Right, gonna start heading home now. So, I had a nice time up the woods and gonna start doing it more regularly. Right, have a good day everyone.